Here we go with a Cancer rising moon right here. Please go watch my 144 series because I go through a whole month in real time. So this Cancer moon, which is just rising right here, when it's almost exactly south, about another 5 hours, maybe 4.5 hours, it'll be over here. But it'll be way up there because it's over the Tropic of Cancer. So when the moon or sun is at its moon noon or noon position, that's where it's closest to you in the sky. And anything in the sky that's close to you will look high up. You have to tilt your chin way high up. Anything that's far away in the sky will look low on the horizon. So this is just rising right now, so it looks a little bit lower to the horizon than it will over here. And then this path right here, it'll be a straight line. Whoop, right there. Exactly straight. Because your perception from the ground, anything away, moving close to you, is a straight line. No arcs. The sun does not arc either. So this is Cancer. So let's go to where it will be. And the sun is still, it's right over there in Pisces. And you can see it's like a little more than 90 degrees apart from each other. And I'll put up a photo of a tropical, the tropical signs. And you'll see they're a little more than 90 degrees. And you can see here, they're a little more than 90 degrees apart from each other. Now, the sun is in Pisces. So if we brought it back to noon, I think I'm at like 2 p.m. right now, maybe a little over 2:30. If we brought it back to noon, Pisces would look mid-sky. It's almost to the equator, but not all the way to Aries. So it's about mid-sky, a little below mid-sky. Now, if we were to fast forward the moon to this same position at a moon noon, it's in Cancer. So the sun would be here in Pisces and the moon would be up here in Cancer. So there's the three-dimensional part of the sky clock. Okay, there's a two-dimensional when we look at it just in a circle. But you take that sky wheel circle, and if you turn it up like this, you'll get an idea of that circle of their heights in the sky and their heights relative to each other. So in the three-dimensional view, which is a vortex like this, Pisces is in the mid position and Cancer's up top. So the sun would be here and the moon would be over there. And what you're witnessing within the expanse, this is all the expanse where we live, is this the greater torus field of Earth has a centrifugal divergence and a centripetal convergence of magnetism into that dielectric core. So it's essentially like vortexing. And it's instantaneous. We can't even like fathom how fast it moves. It's like this. Okay. But within the expanse, we see it move slow. So we can see this vortexing of the sun and moon, which are cone shape, and outside the expanse, it's in the hyperbola like this, which is kind of like an hourglass, or the chalice, the Holy Grail. Outside the expanse, vortexing within there, and we see it this way, vortexing in this cone shape, your Christmas tree. So it's kind of like a mirror of itself, but more importantly is we can actually see it move, because I mean it's even moving, from our perspective, relatively slow. It takes 24 hours, right? So we can see this vortex of the torus field Earth happening right before our eyes. So go outside, keep paying attention, keep search my channel for outdoor classes, and I show a lot of these sun and moon positions, and stuff will start to sink in eventually.